is going on, guys? It's Justin. I've had a couple requests to make a YouTube video and I'm pretty nervous and I'm not very good at talking in front of the camera, so bear with me. I'm gonna try my best here. Today I'm gonna cover 3 ways you can make money while being quarantined. My goal for this video is literally just to throw some ideas in your head and possibly inspire you to kind of get out there and try something new or do something. And I think that's what a lot of people need at this time, and I think that's just about it. The first thing is investing in the stock market. Many of you who know me know that I own several businesses with Ricky Gutierrez around investing in the stock market, and then Nish. We own a company called TechBud Solutions, and it's a peer-to-peer networking group just full of really motivated traders. And at the end of the day, investing in the stock market is one thing that there's always opportunities with. So many of you ask, like, the market's down, why would you tell me to invest in the stock market? There's always opportunity to profit, and that's the thing. Even this past week, for example, Ricky is a super consistent trader, making several $1,000s a day, closing the week on like $14,000 profit, and he's trading with not a crazy amount of money. Me personally, I trade with a lot less, and it's not a main focus of mine. So I just focus on making consistent trades, 3-4 times a week, nothing crazy. If I can lock in $100 a trade, works for me. It's extra money that you didn't have. If you've never invested in the stock market before, there's so much information out there on the internet to get you started. One of the things I do recommend is kind of invest in your education so you don't go in blindsided. If you take your time, learn, dedicate hours and hours on end, just for at least the first couple weeks to kind of paper trade and get yourself familiarized with how the patterns, charts, and technical analysis works. And then once you see that opportunity, you can take a position and profit. It really is an awesome way to make money, especially like you can literally trade from your cell phone, from your laptop, from your computer, basically at the comfort of your home, backyard, basically anywhere that has internet, which is an awesome thing, which is a lot of people can't do, and a lot of people can't say they do, is literally make money from just using Wi-Fi. The second thing is reselling. There is so many opportunities out there for resellers in any type of market, especially one like this, where there's products out there that people can't get their hands on, and that's the demand around it. So if you can get products that have demand, you can sell these products for a profit potentially. For example, this past week and a half, my buddy Dallin and I, we've been wholesaling like ammo essentially. So we've been able to wait in line, do the dirty work, get our ammo for a lower cost. And then there's a lot of people that don't have the time or the ability to go and wait in line. They don't have the connections to get the ammo that we were able to get our hands on because there's so high demand for it. So nothing crazy, you're able to make 10 to 12 cents a round, whatever. It's still a couple $100 but just right there alone, you're making money basically out of doing nothing but the time and effort and the labor you put into, going and purchasing and selling. I would definitely recommend keep your distance. I would not say do a whole lot of in-person meetups if you can, if possible. If that's an item that you want to sell, that you have to sell face-to-face in person, so be it. Please use your caution. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of products that you can purchase around the clothing niche, shoes, tons of different items you can purchase online and then resell. People ask me all the time, how I can buy a bunch of products, but how do I go about selling them? There's literally a million platforms out there you can sell on. OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, Letgo, there's Craigslist, there's so many other places. And it's like, I see people give me excuses all the time, say, I can't sell my stuff on there. Okay, make a Shopify store, post your items for sale and promote it, advertise it, use social media marketing, use paid advertising. There's a whole bunch of ways to go out there and do it. I don't know how many of you are familiar with Supreme, but Supreme reselling is huge, and we're right in the season right now. So every Thursday there's a big drop, and these items are selling out super fast, and they are reselling for crazy profit. Supreme people are making awesome money right now. One of the main things I'm working on right now is a bot for Supreme. We hopefully will be launching with my partners this upcoming week, and that's gonna give a lot of people a lot of opportunity to cop really exclusive stuff that they could resell for a lot of money. So reselling is one of those things that will always be around regardless of where the market is, and I think if you haven't dabbled in it at all, I would say give it a shot. For me personally, it's so much fun being able to take something, cars, like ammo, shoes, apparel, like anything. Watches is something that I really have been getting into. You purchase and enjoy, use, so be it, and then sell for a break even or profit. It's really an amazing concept that I feel like a lot of people just are afraid to tap into, and if they did tap into it, like for me, it's just so much fun. Like if you can sell a product, if you can sell anything, and a lot of people think you guys are excellent salesmen, which I don't doubt you, but go prove it to yourself. Go get a couple items and sell them on a different couple places. Lock in a couple bucks. I mean, even $100 a day. $100 a day, is it $3,000 a month? That's rent, a car payment, everything you could possibly, all your food expenses, insurance is covered by $100 a day if you just put in the effort and time it takes. A lot of you think that it takes hours and hours and hours and it's just so much work. If you think it's so much work and it takes so much time, I think you're too lazy, and to be honest with you, I don't think you should deserve to make any profit because you're not putting in the work. Put in the work, put in the time, go get some products and go resell some products. There's nothing holding you back. The third thing is affiliate marketing, and I know affiliate marketing can have a bad rap sometimes because there's a lot of people out there that sell products that either they don't care about or they don't actually use, and they're just in it for the money. I would say my personal opinion of affiliate marketing is there's nothing wrong with affiliate marketing. If you're using a product and you see value in that product and you want to share it with others, your friends, family, so be it. If you want to take affiliate marketing more seriously and take a product and really scale it, as far as like going out and doing paid advertising and doing a bunch of other different things with it, that needs to be a product that you are really actually passionate about. The reason I'm even bringing up affiliate marketing is because as of late, I've been working with a lot of affiliates on a one-to-one basis, really with our Learn, Plan, Profit team. And we've had affiliates make 5+ figures a month, just bringing on different friends and family and kind of helping others get started in something that they've had success in. And with that is, it's once you've been a part of a team or you're in a group that's like, wow, like there's a lot of people and this really does benefit a lot of people. There's nothing wrong with helping others get started. And if you can bring someone in, you deserve to get a credit for it. And that's the premise of affiliate marketing, is essentially you're an outside or a secondhand salesperson for a product, company, or service. And that's basically it. So those are 3 ways you can make money while you're quarantined. I really appreciate all the feedback and support. I'm sorry, I know a lot of people are bugging me about making YouTube videos and they want to see more YouTube videos from me. I'm just not very good at talking in front of the camera, so it's something I'm working on getting better at. If you guys ever have any questions or need anything, just shoot me a message on Instagram. I'm very active on Instagram. I really help people on a one-to-one basis literally every single day. Just shoot me a message. I'd love to help you out in any way I can, and hope you have a great rest of the week.